Cities and urban population are growing, and with growing also means growing challenges. As we have been able to test for freight solutions, we have been able to improve decision support systems of the different actors. We have also been able to support the integration of different parts of the delivery. This increasing in growing of population is also affecting the way that the last mile delivery works today in the city. Supported on the solutions that we have developed for freight, we have been able to aim and achieve some different aspects that are relevant to all logistic partners of the project and also the whole environment. These programs that appear on the last mile delivery not only affect last mile, but it extends up to the ports, covering the whole supply chain. Although we have focused this for freight use case on the scenario based on Madrid, we extend to extrapolate all the results and all the innovative parts that we have developed here more than just Madrid.
From a logistics operator perspective, the For Freight project is really innovative and provides real added value for us from two main perspectives. The first one is the technical perspective, because we're always looking for optimizing and improving our internal processes that in terms of cost, efficiency, and environmentally as well. And we are also working towards a more connected supply chain with all the stakeholders involved, because this will also improve the entire system we're part of. And For Freight is allowing us to keep on using the legacy systems we have in place that are already working seamlessly, integrating them into a platform that will allow this easy connection and easy communication with the rest of the stakeholders, like transport providers and prior to our warehouse and farther from our warehouses. And in addition to that, it introduces a new stakeholder in the chain, which is Metro. And Metro becomes a new transport operator within the chain, which is something is not done yet anywhere. So despite the apparent simplicity of the process, what happens is that we need to integrate new communications which are non-existent at the moment, and we need to do that respecting and all the regulations or all the safety constraints we may find on each of the different points. And from a business perspective, this is also critical for us because it allows us to offer a wider spectrum of services for those retailers working with us. We are not just offering the traditional door-to-door delivery and warehousing and management. We are just offering this new, sustainable and much more optimized delivery through Metro transportation.
I think for Metro Madrid can add to this project not only the benefits that we have done to the passenger service, if we can add maybe a new solution for the last mile issue. We know that it's not a silver bullet here to solve the problem, but we think Metro Madrid, in a different way, in a different perspective, we can add one little solution for a big problem that is the last mile delivery. In the project in Metro Madrid, we have identified several critical factors that we think that if any metro system in the world can decide to implement a solution like that, must be considered like a success, because we have different aspects like operational feasibility, the speed in operation, the secure of the freight, and many things that with our expertise we think is an important value to other metros that can implement this solution. For Metro de Madrid, it's a new challenge because it's thinking out of the box and is considered a metro like a new player in the last mile issue. So I think it's a breakthrough idea that can help other metros in the world.
Intermodality is a major pillar for achieving green logistics, balanced use of modal transport infrastructure, and efficiency along the nodal points of the Trans-European network. Have we done it? A lot needs to be done. Is exactly where For Freight is acting. We're going through an ecosystem approach with pragmatical solutions, discussing with all the stakeholders for achieving efficiency in these intermodal interfaces. We identify what is missing, and we are developing generalized intermodal problem-solving processes. Everybody agrees that this is the best solution to work. And then, on the basis of these processes, we are developing and offering digital solutions, innovative solutions that are easy to plug in the current processes of the stakeholders of the logistic community and in the current systems, legacy systems that they're operating. From balancing the demand between port and airport, from applying digital solutions to inland waterways ports where we have low digitization level, until interfacing global supply chains with last mile, until achieving efficient interface between global supply chain and last mile delivery operations. For Freight is offering solutions tested in Greece, in Spain, in Romania, and from that local solution we create the global offering for the intermodal industry around Europe. Solutions at the others, they will be developed in the future. After the end of the project, they can also be integrated in the For Freight Solvers marketplace, Solvers library, by many others in the future.